the platform that we use it to create applications, right? To create a backend application. So Node.js is providing us a feature to do that. So you can go to this cmd and check if node is already installed or not. You can type node, two hyphens, and versions. If node is already there in your computer, it is going to show you some version 16 point or 18 or 20 or something like that. Okay. If it is not installed, then you need to go to the node excuse me, node.org, okay, nodejs.org. Go to nodejs.org and then click on this first one, this 18.16 or 20, whatever it is showing you. Click on this first button, which will download the node.js file into your download folder. There you can just double click and install it. So once you install that node.js and again come back to this prompt and type node dash dash version, you should be getting a version here. Okay, that means node is been successfully installed, right? Next, what you need to do is you need to install. So you can even open a command prompt for that, right? Simply just open a command prompt. So how to check if node is installed? I'm just giving node dash dash version and I see it. That means node is installed. Next is we need to install the JSON server, which will help us to create fake API. Okay. So for that the command is npm install dash g space JSON dash server. Okay. If you give this command and press enter, it will install it. Okay, JSON server will be installed in your computer. Since it is already there in my computer, I'm not going to press enter, but you need to if you do not have JSON. All right. So now once you do that, JSON server will be installed. Then what you do, you create a folder. Okay. So let's say I'm going to create a folder here by giving md command, making directory md, and let's see my API server. Okay, so I create this folder, my API server. Okay, so you would be seeing this here. Let me go to my users, and here my API server, one folder I have created, which is blank now. Okay, so now in this place, you need to create a file. Okay, named, let's say, db.json. So I give file new, open your text document, notepad, and give your file name as db.json. Don't give txt, db.json. This file got created in this folder, API server folder, db.json got created. Now go there, open that file. You can open that file in whatever form, let's say text document. Sorry, you need to open it. Open with, and let's say Visual Studio Code. So I'm opening it to Visual Studio Code. So that will open here. Okay. Now here you need to paste, you need to create a fake information. Let's say I'm going to give a detail about employees. I'm going to create an employee API. So this code which I'm giving need to paste. So it will look something like this. Okay, so we have here employee um, API, and then I have two IDs here, right? One information of ID number one, and then I have uh, ID is one, name is John, email is so and so. So this I have created. So it is a dummy API which has only one record. All right. So now, if you see this particular folder, it has only one file db.json, and that looks like this. It should be the same format. So when you try it out, give it the same format, and exit. There should not be anything missing out here. So once you do this, now open this folder in CMD where you have JSON. So what you do, click on this path, go to the beginning and type CMD space. So now this path will be opening into command prompt. See, command prompt I have got this particular path, my API server. Now in this path you need to open uh, the API or the JSON server. All right. So for that, the command to open JSON server is just give JSON dash server space dash dash watch db dot JSON. It will watch this particular file and then I give a port name. So I'm giving a port as 300 3001. So now that fake API server will open. Okay. So for that we need this command JSON server, and it is going to watch the db.json which we just now created, which has one row for employee and port number is 3001. If I press enter, see here this API got created localhost 3001 employees. Okay. Now if I just open this, hold on the control key and click, or you can copy paste the whole URL and open in the browser. See, in the browser you can see an API kind of thing, right? So this is exactly similar to this JSON placeholder which we have seen earlier. So now we have our own local API which is running in our computer. Okay, and the URL is this. So let's go ahead and access our own API, and we know the URL and everything, right? So what we do,